So hello friends, welcome to my channel Jobonimus, and in today's video I am going to discuss about an exciting job opportunity floated by Dell on its website where freshers as well as experienced candidates can apply. So in this video we are going to be considering the eligibility, how to apply, job description and the interview rounds and the questions and answers. So do consider watching this video very carefully till the end, and in case you are new to my channel, consider subscribing it and please do like this video to support my channel as it gives me a lot of motivation. So friends, regarding this job role, first of all we will discuss the name of this job role. This is for the role of business operations analyst, and it is completely a non-technical job role where freshers also are eligible to apply. So first of all we will understand what exactly is the job description. So here the main job is to collaborate with customers of Dell to define their business requirements while providing solutions and tools that strengthen their business processes. So you will have to work with customers of Dell, understand their requirements and provide solutions accordingly, as well as use tools that can strengthen the business processes of Dell. Now friends, moving on to the interview rounds. So here round 1 is a aptitude test which consists of 20 to 25 questions. They can be logical questions, logical reasoning, verbal reasoning as well as visual reasoning. So visual reasoning questions can be of graphs and charts. So certain graphs and charts will be given to you and then you will have to predict their pattern. So these kind of multiple choice questions will be there. So you can go through my video of Amazon aptitude test also to prepare for this. So that will be sufficient enough for you as this test will not be that much difficult. Round 2 will be with the manager with their business operations manager, and round 3 will be the HR or the negotiation round with the HR. Now I will discuss some of the first of all the salary and perks. So here salary is between the range of 7 to 10 LPA, which is pretty good because here 0 to 2 years experience they are considering. So for this experience range where freshers can apply, 7 to 10 LPA is good, and also they have given you the opportunity to do remote work. So you do not have to go to their college, you can apply for this particular team anywhere from India, but this particular team is based in Bangalore. However, you can work from any part of India as of now as it is remote work. Now the interview questions that can be asked for this role. First of all, talk about your college project or your internships if you are a fresher, and about your previous work experience if you are an experienced professional. And then another question, very common question that Dell asks, if we ask your college professor or your previous manager to describe you, what attributes will they talk about? How will you calculate number of laptops sold in Bangalore per month? So this is, a question where I have to, use a particular approach. There is no right answer for this. So you will have to think about it, and what matters is your approach. So you can consider what is the population of Bangalore. Then you can consider what is the working population of Bangalore, because mostly working people will be using laptops. Kids that are too small or people that are retired and are too old will not be using laptops. So that is how you can solve this question and then come to a particular answer. Then they can ask you some puzzles related to buckets, like you will have two buckets and you will have to transfer water from one bucket to the other. So I have covered this question many times in my Amazon interview videos. You can go to the link below on one such video where I have solved this question. Then another type of question they can give you is measuring time with the help of an hourglass. So that kind of question can be asked. So I will give you an example. How will you measure 9 minutes from two hourglasses of 7 minutes and 4 minutes? So hourglasses, I hope you know they consist of sand in one part, and when you transfer it, when the complete sands transfer from one part to the another, the total time measured is 7 minutes. So that is a type of question. So you have to prepare for these two type of questions. then if you are experienced, why you want to leave your previous job. So these kind of questions can be asked. Now I'll take you to my computer screen to tell you how you can apply. So here I have floated this on my website, Business Operations Analyst. You can just click on this job and then you will be able to read the entire job details, job description, everything will be there. And if you feel comfortable, just go to apply for this job and you will be redirected to this page of naukri.com where this job has been floated. You can see 0 to 2 years, location Bangalore, but it will be for remote work. They have clearly written remote India. So you can apply from anywhere and then take it forward. So friends, I hope this video would have been useful for you. So please do like this video, and in case you want to get your CV rectified for this role or any other job role, please do let me know. In the description there is a link, you can book your CV modification. So I hope you like this video and I'll meet you in the next